In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Docusign. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your account, you want to go to the top right and click on your profile icon. And from here, you want to click on Manage Profile. Now, here on the left, you have a bunch of options. You want to click on Signatures. And from here, you want to click on Add Signature at the top right. And when you do that, you can select your name and then your initials as well. So I'm just going to name this one Instant How, okay? And I'm going to leave IH over here. And then you could either choose your signature from the list. So for example, let's say I want this one and I can click create and it's going to get created, or I can draw one over here if I want to. For example, like this, I could just go ahead and of course have a signature like this and then draw the initials as well like that, or I could just upload an image of my signature, both of the signature and initials, and that's pretty much all the options you have. Whenever you're happy, you can just basically select the one you wanted, click on create, and it's going to create you a new signature. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.